Vehicle? Check out the 2018 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.